Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Today we are going to explore the Sign to Me feature. Sometimes it becomes very hard to segregate the document and tasks that are sent to others and those meant for us to complete. But don't worry, it's very easily sorted in the BoloSign app just for you. Once you open the app, you can see at the bottom the Sign to Me section. Just click there, and here you get all the tasks and the documents which are meant just for you. This section can be sorted out on the basis of the criteria pending, approved, signed, rejected, declined, and void. Once you are in the pending section, select any document which you need to review or add your signature. Once your fields are filled and you have reviewed the document, just click on Finish. Now this document will be marked as completed and it will be shown under the category of signed document. And that's how this function works. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.